Alright, we've been over this plenty of times. You go around back, I'll go around front. We get in, we steal, we get out. Piece of cake.
Of course, it'll be easy.
Are you sure you're up for it?
Don't worry. I've planned for everything.
I did not plan for this. There's a guard dog. There's a guard dog. Who are you employed by? You're not supposed to be here. Ah! I didn't plan for you. Fuck you, dog. Why are you here? Months of planning. Ah! Down to shitter because of you.
How are you going back there? Over?
There's a guard dog. Over.
What?
There's a guard dog. Over. Ah! Told you that was a guard dog.
Yeah, that's guard dog.
Yeah, can I talk to you around the corner for a sec? Yeah. So, there's a guard dog.
Well, that definitely puts the plan on hold.
We didn't plan for a guard dog.
Ooh, I have an idea. I'm a master of disguise. Hello, dog. Oh. It was going so well.
No, it wasn't. But don't you worry. I have a disguise that'll make me invisible. So,
Why the hell did you think that was going to work?
well, the last time I took my clothes off, my girlfriend said she couldn't see me anymore.
These disguises are fucking terrible. They're never going to work.
Yeah. But I have one more.
What?
Dog costume.
Where the hell are you going to find a dog? Oh, that was awesome, dude. Let's fucking go. We can go inside, bro. We can go in and out. We can do it all. Bro, we can just go in and... You alright, buddy? You're not, buddy.
Alright, it is dog time. What the fuck?